Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to PayPal. And if you want to do this, you need to know that if you're using a verified account on Wise, because otherwise it's not possible. Then after that, what we're going to do is we go right here to PayPal, and then I don't know why I set all my settings to English, but some settings are still on Dutch. But what we're going to do is we go to paid and get paid, and then we go to money, and then we click right here on add money. Then he will send us right here to this page where we can do ideal or link a bank. So if you want to do this more often, you can directly link your bank. But right now I want to set right here your bank manually, and then we do next. And then what he shows us is use a bank account that's linked to PayPal and then log into your bank account. These are the settings that we need to have right now, because if you go to Wise and we do send, and we do right here the Netherlands, and we fill in, for example, right here this money, then we do add recipients, and then we do bank details, and then we do someone else. And then right now we can fill in right here the IBAN, or inside Europe, or do outside Europe. So then we do, for example, inside Europe, and then we fill in right here the full name of the account holder. Now this is the name. So we do right here this, and then we paste it right here. And then we fill in right here the IBAN from PayPal. There we go. And then we do right here IBAN. And then usually he recognizes it, and then we do continue. And then usually account name and account details matched. So that is very nice. Then we do continue. And then he will send us right here to the review page. And then usually right here what you need to know. So he's also telling you, following your bank instructions for making a payment transfer, make sure the details are entered exactly as they appear here. You can choose instant transfers if your bank gives the option. So that's also very important to know. But right now, check everything, do continue to payment. And then right now we need to do our payments on this page. So this is in a nutshell how you can send money from Wise to PayPal. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.